What's up everyone, it's Savannah here. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of Belle Soul's in Gulf Shores. And we're still social distancing, we just thought it was a time for a change of scenery. So cool. Here, just come inside, I don't want to talking about it.
This is our condo. It is awesome.
It's super cool, so here.
So Savannah's going to give you a tour of our place.
Yeah.
It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Overlooks the lagoon and overlooks the Gulf of Mexico. It is gorgeous. As you can see, she's actually backlit because of all of the windows and the great view.
Yeah.
But let's start the tour.
All right, so first, this is the living room and the dining room. So this is where we'll eat dinner. There are 6 chairs around the table. And then in here is our living room, which we get all kinds of couches and a TV.
What we love about this living room is there's plenty of seats. When we were looking to rent a condo, there's 5 of us and we wanted to make sure everybody had a seat. And so this one, we actually have plenty of room to sit around in the evenings. And let's show them the kitchen next and then we'll go out to the balcony.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. It has basically everything you normally have in a kitchen. A refrigerator, a microwave, a stove, an oven, a sink, a dishwasher, and counter space, I guess.
This is a huge kitchen for a condo, especially a beach condo that overlooks the beach. This is ginormous. This place is so clean. We actually rented this on Airbnb. So we rented it from a private party and this kitchen is amazing.
So great.
But I think our favorite part before we get to the 3 bedrooms is
the balcony. Come out to the balcony because it's so cool.
Okay, so this is just one of the balconies we have. Don't mind Dad out there, he's already on the phone. But we'll take you out and show you the view.
So this is the balcony and this overlooks the Gulf of Mexico. It's super pretty.
We even have a table and plenty of chairs out here. Another thing that is a problem when you rent condos is you never have enough space on your balcony, you never have enough chairs. We have 4 chairs plus an extra chair and an ottoman here. So plenty for all 5 of us to sit out here and enjoy the wraparound view. We are on the 14th floor, guys. So the view is absolutely stunning. And if I didn't tell you, this place also has a pool. And this is the lagoon side, so we see the docks. And then you have the beach over there.
All right, so let's take you back to the bedrooms. First, there's a bathroom right there, which is just shower, toilet, sink, everything necessary.
And this is such a huge place. So this is the kind of the hall bathroom. Like I said, it's 3 bedrooms. The furniture is amazing. Everything is beautiful. Like I said, it's so clean. And since we're gonna be pretty much staying in here most of the time and just enjoying the view, we're happy about all the space.
Yes, this is the first bedroom. We've got twin beds and it's really cute. Oh, even the window has an overview of the beach and Gulf of Mexico.
Every room has an amazing view, guys. So fun. You could sit in this bed and just kind of gaze out at the ocean. We have a closet, if we can get that. We have a closet over here with extra blankets, plenty of storage space. And let's go to the 2nd bedroom.
Yes, we'll go on this one. This is the 2nd bedroom. I think there's
That's a queen bed.
Is it a queen
Yep,
bed?
that's a queen bed.
The queen bed, and in here is actually a TV.
There's a TV in this one. Did the other one have a TV?
No, the other one with the twin beds now have a TV.
Okay, so we have a TV in here. We have closet space.
Yeah, a lot of closet
right
space
there. They even gave us luggage racks. There's a fan and this
the 2nd bathroom.
Yes, this has its own bathroom, guys. So this one has its own full bathroom with a shower and a very big sink. And it has access, if we can get it to, there we go. This has access, it's probably locked, to a balcony. This also is on the master. So if you come out here, this is the other
balcony that overlooks the ocean.
Right. So the other one is the lagoon, and this is pretty much Gulf Shores that we're looking over. It's so pretty, guys. And so that is the view. This is a huge balcony with table, 2 chairs. And you also have an entrance to the master bedroom, but let's go ahead and go inside.
Yeah, we'll go inside and show you the way through there. All right.
Okay, so here is Mom and Dad's room for the trip. This one has a chair, a beautiful, huge king bed.
King size bed. You've got 2 dressers or furniture.
Night tables.
Night tables, yeah. Called night tables. This one has a TV. And over here is a giant closet. Look at this, guys.
It's a giant closet for a condo rental. Look at that, extra pillows. You have another luggage rack, but that is a full walk-in closet. The door behind, we believe, is a cleaning closet. So they probably have the cleaning supplies back there. But that is a huge walk-in closet for this condo.
Yes.
And there's another bathroom.
Yep, over here is the biggest bathroom and the prettiest.
It's so pretty.
It's huge. So this is where, like, there's 2 sinks.
Okay, so there is sink number 1 and a vanity area. Sink number 2 and
a giant bathtub.
A jetted bathtub. Actually, you could take like a spa bath in there.
Yeah.
And you.
Oh, it's got a pretty view of this.
So you could be taking a bath because this window is lower. You could be taking a bath while looking out at the ocean. Guys, we really scored with this Airbnb. I didn't think it was gonna be this nice.
Super pretty. And you got a giant shower over here.
Giant walk-in shower, and that's just the toilet.
And
you know. And then it has all the towels. Like I said, it has everything we need to social distance with the most amazing view. So yeah, so for 5 people, this is gonna be perfect for us.
Yes, because we can't spend all of our time at the beach, because sooner or later, I mean, you'll... Oh, she's not gonna run now. So yeah, this is where we're spending most of our time. Oh, they have Scrabble for us too.
Oh, and they have games for us. That is one of our favorite.
We love Scrabble. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour. This is the Belle Soul in Gulf Shores.
Yes, we'll put a link in the description below of the actual place we rented, just in case you want to check it out on Airbnb. Yep. We don't know the owners, but I bet they're awesome. I don't know. We love this place. Just don't rent it when we want to rent it. Yeah. Because we'll be back, I'm sure. So if you are looking for a fantastic, beautiful place, I love that it's at the end of Gulf Shores, kind of. There's Fort Morgan, I believe, at the end, but it's not in Orange, it's farther down, so it's not quite as busy here. And you have wraparound views. It's of Gulf Shores. It's so amazing.
So open too, and there's light. It's not like there's like one window here and there. It's like there's tons of windows, so you get all kinds of views. Yeah, we were just so excited about this place. We had to share with you guys. We weren't gonna tell you, but we were too excited about it. Yep. So thank you for joining us. I'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.